Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to replace the battery. Please make sure the machine is turned off when replacing the battery to avoid accidents. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws or gently pry open the buckle to open the battery box. Gently unplug the battery cable and remove the old battery. Making sure the positive and negative terminals on the battery match the connectors. Place the new battery into the battery compartment. Tighten the screws or retaining ring. Power on test to check if the battery is working properly. Thanks for watching. See you next time.